My name is Aideen Clarke and I'm a student teacher focusing on the use of ICT pedagogy as part of my research thesis. There is a growing focus both internationally and in Ireland to incorporate ICT as part of teaching methodologies in the classroom, and not simply as a standalone subject. There is an expectation that as newly qualified teachers we are equipped to deliver this type of pedagogy as soon as we graduate from our programme of study and begin teaching. However, the question remains, how well are student teachers equipped to deliver this type of teaching in the classroom? And does incorporating ICT pedagogy as part of the programme of study have an impact on the ability of a student teacher to use it effectively? This research seeks to answer the question of how effective it is to incorporate ICT pedagogy as part of the programme of study and education for student teachers in Ireland. The methodology used for this research is a mixed methods approach. The approach taken includes semi-structured interviews which allow for the qualitative collection of data, and online surveys which comprise the quantitative data collection. These methods are applied equally to two separate groups. The first group will take part in an ICT pedagogy workshop, and the second control group will not. This methodology has been chosen to allow for a greater depth of detail to the data gathered and the results obtained. Should one or the other methods have been used alone, they may not have allowed for the same depth and breadth of information which can be obtained from the mixed methods approach. Prior to school placement, all participants in the research will take part in a semi-structured interview to establish their position on a matrix related to the attitudes and readiness in ICT incorporation in their teaching. During their school placement, the student teachers will complete online surveys to gather data in relation to their use of ICT as part of their teaching. This survey will be completed on 5 different occasions by each participant to ensure that there is a richness to the data collected, which might not be possible from a single point of survey completion by a larger group of individuals. Both open and closed questions have been incorporated into the questionnaire, along with the opportunity to provide further information. Following completion of school placement, a second semi-structured interview will be conducted to establish if there has been any change to the participant's position on the same matrix which was used prior to their placement. This will allow any change in their ICT pedagogy capabilities to be measured. There are challenges in this research project in relation to the timescale available and the sample size used. There is only a maximum of 4 participants anticipated for each group, 8 participants in total. Further, the approach taken can have its drawbacks in terms of the clarity of information obtained from the interview process and the completion of the online surveys. This will be addressed through careful coding of the interview transcript data using in vivo and the use of statistical software for the online surveys. However, I am confident that the chosen methodology will satisfy the research question at hand and provide interesting and provocative results.